Okay, welcome back to exercise 3. We're talking about walking with the mouth closed. Now, we're taking a lot of the concepts, we're building on a lot of the concepts we learned in exercise 2 when it comes to posture, standing up straight. We're going to have the tongue resting on the top of the mouth, lips closed, jaw relaxed. And now we're essentially going to slow down our breath rate while going for a walk. So, again, we're essentially taking those concepts from exercise 2 and now just applying walking movement. Now, this is just a regular walk at your own pace. At your own pace. And we're just going to, again, be aware of the breath in and out. Now, ideally, we get to a point where we have a slower breath coming in, a longer breath going out. Again, slowly. We want to barely feel the air coming out of the nose, leaving the nose. And we're just going to walk as we go through this. Now, you can go through this with cycles on a walk, for example. So we can do this for 2 to 3 minutes on a walk, then go back to your usual breathing, then go back to this. And if we can get, 3 or 4 of these, or up to maybe 5 or 6 of these even on a walk throughout your walk, this would be great to build up to 3 to 4 minute sessions of 5 of these or so maybe on a walk. This is a great way because you're building up, adding some exercise, some movement, which is going to demand more on your respiratory system. So while slowing the breath, we become more chemosensitive to carbon dioxide. This will inherently then improve oxygenation rates of the body and tissues over time. There may be a little bit of some getting used to. It may be a little bit of a struggle initially, but the more you do this, the more you incorporate this awareness while you walk, the more you focus on the breath going in and out during a walk, it's going to make for a huge difference. So this really is just exercise 3. It's incorporating this slower, lower breathing as we're going for a walk. That's exercise 3. I'll see you guys in the next video.